Alright, standard 16C. Here are their steps. They should look familiar. We're going to add or subtract three rational expressions. This time we're going to factor the denominators, find an LCD by multiplying the different factors, and write all expressions with this LCD. Once we've done that, we're going to add or subtract our numerators, and then we're going to factor that numerator, and then we're going to cancel any common factors. These are the same steps as the last two guys. We're just doing it with one more fraction. Alright, so now we have this fraction. We're going to start just like we did last time. So we're going to have 4 over x minus 5, 2 over x. Those obviously don't match. 20 over, hey look, we need to factor this. We have x squared minus 5x. If I start with my greatest common factor, I'm going to see that I have x on the outside. And then x minus 5. Look how convenient that is. It has both of the other two. So that's going to be our LCD. LCD is x times x minus 5. Alright? So that means that we are going to multiply this first one that has just x minus 5, we're going to multiply by x. The second one that has just x, we're going to multiply by x minus 5. The last one's going to stay the same, so let's do that. We have x times x minus 5 minus x times x minus 5 minus x times x minus 5. Alright, first one, we're going to do 4 times x to get 4x. The second one, we're going to do 2 times x to get 2x, 2 times minus 5 to get minus 10. The last one stays 20. Remember, we don't like having the minus, so we're going to change this to add the both opposites. So I'm going to add negative 2x plus 10, and I'm going to add negative 20. Then we're going to rewrite it. X times x minus 5. Now I have, let's see, 4x minus 2x to get 2x. And then 10 minus 20 to get minus 10. Alright, I'm going to take out my greatest common factor out of the top. I'm going to factor the top now. I'm going to take out a 2. X minus 5. And in the bottom, x over x times x minus 5. What cancels? That's going to leave me 2 over x. Next, let's do it again. 3 over x minus 2, already factored. 5 over x, already factored. 6 over, x squared minus 2x, I'm going to take out an x. X minus 2, same as last time, so my LCD is the denominator of that third fraction. X times x minus 2. Right? There we go. So, x times x minus 2 plus x times x minus 2 minus this time x times x minus 2. Alright, our bottoms are matching, so we have to figure out this first one is x minus 2. I'm going to multiply it by x. The second one is x. I'm going to multiply it by x minus 2. The third one is just 6. So we're going to have 3x plus 5x minus 10 minus 6. I'm going to take this and make it plus. I'm making it 6. So that's going to give me, whole thing over x times x minus 2. I have 3x plus 5x to get 8x. I have negative 10 minus 6 more to get minus 16. 8x minus 16 to get an 8. Over x times 2. X minus 2 goes cross. The answer will be 8 over x. Pretty straightforward, right? Now that last step's always to cancel out the things that match exactly. Next one, let's factor again. 3x over x plus 1 plus 4 over x minus 1. So none of those change. 6 over, look, x squared minus 1. I have two terms. It's subtraction. The 2 gives me a hint that it's difference of squares. So I'm going to have x plus 1 times x minus 1, which also happens to be my LCD. X plus 1, x minus 1. Alright, so x plus 1, x minus 1. always write it out every time. So we're going to multiply the first one times x minus 1. The second one times x plus 1. And the third one stays the same. We'll just write that in now. So I'm going to have 3x squared minus 3x, 4x plus 4 minus 6. I'm going to come in and I'm going to change this to plus a negative 6. Alright, so I'm going to start 3x squared minus 3x plus 4x gives me plus 1x plus 4 minus 6 minus 2. I'm going to factor that. Bottom 3. So now I have a times c, negative 6, bottom is plus 1. Opposite signs, bigger one's positive. Let's do plus 3 and minus 2. So I have 3x plus 3, 3x minus 2. And this 3x plus 3 is going to become 1x plus 1, x plus 1, 3x minus 2. And I can cross off my pluses. That's going to leave me 3x minus 2 over x minus 1. That is all of our examples. Alright. Do the homework. Make sure you ask questions if you have it. Alright. Thank you very much.